gosh. Hello. And today I'm hiding from something else. My office was destroyed by it, but it came out eventually and I was able to get back in. But the desk, the fan, the light were all destroyed by it. Another one of those. They came around. I'll show you. Just follow me. I'm not gonna waste your time. I'm just gonna get up and walk. Like, goodness gracious. Alright. We're approaching it. I can't move for some reason. Okay. We're approaching it. Now this thing is very shy, so it's best to be very kind around it. Hello? Come to talk! No! You see, these things are very annoying, and so we're going... Oh, that's so freaking creepy. Oh my gosh. Okay, enough with the roleplay. Let's get serious here. This is creepy. Oh shoot. Bro, what was that? Oh! Oh my gosh! Oh no! Oh no, no. That thing's freaking terrifying. Holy crap. That thing is... Oh my gosh. Get it out of here. Burn it. Burn that dang thing. Holy crap. It's terrifying. Hello? Oh my gosh. Get back. No! Go back to your hiding spot. Leave me alone. Go away. This is my camera. Gosh. I actually prefer to use my crowbar, I don't know why. I feel more safe when I use it. Okay, here we go. We should probably offer a sacrifice to it. Maybe if we offer a sacrifice, it'll leave us alone. So let's see what we got here. Let's go and I have exactly the right idea. Okay, so we're going to give a sacrifice. You weren't really an important part of our group anyway, so you are going to be our sacrifice. Like I just said, you weren't really important anyways. Nobody really liked you. You did nothing but stand there with a suitcase, and you said you were a professional in giving information, but it turned out you ended up using Wikipedia, so you were actually not a genius, so take the sacrifice, please! We don't even want him anymore. Where is he? Oh, there he is. Take the sacrifice. He's right up here. Yes. Fool! He's right here. Get this man out of here. Ugh. No, if you don't take our sacrifice, I'm just gonna... Yeah. Goodbye! No more medicine. Okay, so maybe we can make friends with it if we give it something nice. I have the perfect idea. We'll give it a cupcake. We bring a peace offering. Over there. Peace offering. Ah, shit. Now I gotta go get it. Got it. Alright. We brought you a peace offering. Oh my gosh, where is he? Actually, really, where is he? I don't think he's actually in there. Where is he right now? I'm terrified. Hello? I'm terrified right now. I don't know where he is. Did he somehow despawn? Did I do something wrong? That's not where I'm supposed to go. No, he's still here. Where? What? Oh, don't use the daggum token. Where is he? Seriously? Is he in this building? No, he's not. Okay, this is weird and creepy. Where is he? Where is he? I legit don't know where this man is. And I don't want to go down there. I ain't going down there. Okay, we'll just get a new one. That's not what I meant to do, but whatever. We needed him anyways. Alright, we'll just get a new. Oh, shoot! Need that already. Alright, here we go. Where's the peace offering? I can do this. Punch me! Take the peace offering! See, he doesn't even give me 2 seconds to try and present him with the peace offering. Over here. Peace offering! Do you want it? Ah! I just thought you would like a cupcake. He's right freaking behind me. Oh my gosh. They hide in corners. See, look at that! Little stealthy piece of crap. These things are terrifying. They need to be extinct. Look at that! He's hiding in his little corner. They can sneak past him. Oh, son of a crap! Ah! Ah! Dear goodness gracious, that scared me. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ah! No. Get away. No! Here, Here, take these seagulls as a sacrifice. I'm sure he'll take those. Look! Down there! There's a sack. Holy crap! I actually feel bad now. You guys okay? Oh, jeez! What? Where is my leg? Shoot! I'm freaking terrified. Where is he? Oh my gosh. That thing is terrifying. What if I go in the water? He wouldn't follow me in the water, I'm sure of it. I can see him. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! He followed me in! Oh my gosh! That, ladies and gentlemen, is what you don't do when you're trying to escape a meat. That is definitely not what you're supposed to do. I want my... No, I feel safe with this. Okay, this is gonna be... Wow, that actually didn't do anything. Oh my gosh! They can't die! These things are demonic! They need to be extinct! The memes! Do you see how dangerous they are? Get out of here! No, no, stop blowing your stupid whistle. No, not okay. Freaking gosh. Yeah, reload the crap out of that gun. boy. Boy. Alright then. Did you see me come up here? I don't think he did. Where is he now? Oh, there he is. Oh, shoot! These things are like invincible. Where is he? I freaking heard that. I don't even want to get near that place now. Oh! Oh! Oh, shoot! Oh, that is terrifying. Oh! Man, I didn't know trains could jump that high. Grenade! No, that didn't work. Okay. Let's get a pulse rifle. Oh, shoot. Oh! Gosh. I'm terrified. Okay, where is he? Oh! Fire! Ah! Dead now. Oh my gosh, where is he? I don't know where he is. Okay. Perhaps I could get help. You. Hey, sorry about what happened earlier. I'm not sure how you're alive. Why are you looking alive? Basic, no. Okay. Alright then. I think Thomas is afraid of pistols. Where is he? Where is he again? Oh jeez! No! Alright, for real this time, we're going after him. Ah! My gosh. We need like an army to prove that we're better than you. We need an army of these guys. These are the most powerful men we have. What the fudge? He's killing all of them! Oh my gosh. What is wrong with you? Oh jeez! Okay, well, we have tons of dead men now. They fought well in the meme war, but, so far, they're winning. Freaking get away from me. Get away. No. No, 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 no. Yeah, you stay over there. Flash them. Flash my white freaking right. See how that, like that. Find a way to sneak around. Alright, we'll go this way. Alright. I don't think he knows I'm around. He knows I'm here! He knows I'm here! He knows I'm here! Oh my gosh! Why is he still following me? Ah! No! It's not okay, Thomas. You dank engine. You get back. Okay. Maybe if I stay in here, he'll leave me alone. No, I gotta go back after him. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Where is he? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. He's following me! What? No, I thought you hated my op-ed. You coming? Oh my gosh. I'm waiting for him to pop around the freaking corner. I really don't want it to happen. Okay. Maybe if I fly up and see where he is. Maybe it won't be so bad. Where is he? Look at all those dead people, and it's all because of him. Wait, what? What? Where'd he go? Oh, you went all the way back there? But why, though? I thought you wanted to come murder me. Oh, he's coming now. I think. Is he seriously going back? Did he legit just go back? What the heck is wrong with him? Thomas, what are you doing? I don't even think I'm scared of you anymore. I mean, you're such a pathetic piece of crap. Waste of life. Gosh. No, I must take back my outfit. Swim! Swim through the water! We must take back what's ours! Yes! Freaking jerk! No! That is it, Thomas! I've had it! Joke's on you, sucker! Wait, what? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Well, that's terrifying. So I can just monitor. I can just monitor him. Okay. I'm gonna go into the water for a second. Okay, good. He's kind of staying in that little spot. It's like he's waiting. Okay. Let's go this way. Oh, that's terrifying. He's coming! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Okay, we need to get past him. Okay. Oh my gosh. That is terrifying. Look at that thing. Look at— oh my god!